Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to export document information as a CSV file in BoldSign. The Export Form Data feature in BoldSign allows users to easily download detailed document information as a CSV file, simplifying the organization and management of essential data. The downloaded file includes key details, such as the document created date, document ID, status, signers' names and emails, signer status, signature completed date, and form field IDs with their values, providing a complete overview of your document workflow. This feature offers a convenient way to maintain and analyze document records, streamlining your data management processes. Please note that data in the signature, initials, image, and attachment form fields are excluded from the CSV file. Imagine a scenario where a sales manager needs to keep track of signed client agreements for his team. To ensure all agreements are easily accessible and up to date, the manager uses BoldSign's Export Form Data to CSV feature. By exporting data, they can view key details such as the agreement status, signer names, email addresses, and dates the agreements were completed, all in one place. This allows the manager to monitor the progress of deals, generate reports, and ensure that no agreement is missed during critical client follow-ups. First, let me show you how a client signs an agreement after it is sent by the sales manager using BoldSign. The client receives a signature request email. To sign the document, click the Review and Sign button in the email. This action navigates to the document signing page, where the client enters the required data in the respective fields. Once done, the signing process is completed by clicking the Finish button. Next, let me demonstrate how the sales manager tracks the signed client agreement and exports its details as a CSV file. The first step is to access the sales manager's BoldSign application page. I expand the Documents menu and select the My Documents option. This takes me to the My Documents page, which displays a list of all my documents. The manager needs to export the completed client agreements details as a CSV file. To do this, locate the document, hover over it, and click the Context menu. A list of options will appear. From the list of options, I choose Export Form Data. Alternatively, I can access this Export Form Data option from the Document Overview page by clicking on the document. On this page, the document details are displayed. I click the More Actions button to reveal the options. I click Export Form Data. The system will automatically download the CSV file containing the document information to my device. Now, I will show you the downloaded CSV file. As you can see, the exported CSV file contains details such as the document created date, document ID, document status, signer's name, signer's email address, signer status, signature completed date, and form field IDs with their values. The date and time shown in the created date and completed on columns will match the My Profile section's format and time zone settings. Certain date formats are not supported in the CSV export. If an unsupported date format is selected, the system will automatically convert the date and time to the default format, adjusted to your selected time zone. That summarizes how to export document information as a CSV file. If you found this video useful, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.